Great spotted woodpeckers are omnivores. They feed on beetle larvae, ants, spiders, nuts, conifer seeds, buds, berries, and tree sap. They feed predominantly on insects, which they collect with their sticky tongues. The tongues can be extended up to 40 millimeters. This is because the hyoid bone to which it is attached has long flexible horns that wind around the skull. This also helps to protect the bird's brain from injury during high-speed pecking. When they are fed at the entrance hole, the young woodpeckers beg loudly and the nest can be revealed.